Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you the easy way to switch to DuckDuckGo browser in Chrome. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are following to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. All right, so the very first thing you need to do is simply open up your Chrome browser. Then after you open up your Chrome browser, next thing you need to do is to come to the top right here, click on these three dots right here, and this is going to drop down. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way to settings, and it's load up like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply navigate to search engine right here, and the next thing you need to do is to click on manage search engine and site, and the next thing you need to do is to simply look for DuckDuckGo, and the next thing you need to do is to click on here and then click on make defaults. And by the time we go back to the address tab right here and we click on this plus sign here to create a new tab, then you will have your DuckDuckGo web search just like so. We have it right here, DuckDuckGo. It's as simple as that. So you can make use of search right here and search whatever you are looking for. So this is how to switch from Chrome search engine into DuckDuckGo search engine. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.